Has to be the Klingons. There's a bunch of Klingon ships using everything they've got. First thing, run the middleman and prepare for some serious butt kicking. So, fire! Don't let that blood glass.